Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy F62 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can change font size in your phone Samsung Galaxy F62. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here and click on display. Then go to font size and style. And here, this is default font style. If you want to increase the font style, move it to the right side. Move this pointer to the right side. It will increase. This is very large size. See the changes. Wow, what a big! It has been changed to very big size. Again, I go to the display. Then I go to font size and style. And if you want to decrease font size, just move the cursor to the left side. Leftmost will be very small. See it changes. It's very small size. If you want to set back to default font size, again go to the same settings, display, then click on font size and style and set it to fourth pointer. So in this way you can easily change screen you can easily change font size in your phone Samsung Galaxy F62. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.